Good morning, everybody. We are at the Waarbeek.
Waarbeek.
Yeah, first time ever. This is going to be super fun, and we can film on rides. I think they have four coasters.
Very cozy.
Maybe three. Very cozy. But anyways, welcome guys to the Waarbeek. Walking inside the Waarbeek, and you come here and then you have to turn again. You have to walk around this thing. Okay, this is going to be very interesting. I have to say that flat ride over there looks pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah. And this is what we found around the corner. I have to say this is very cute. Like the lights and these. Super cute. And the window, look at that. That's a very simple effect, but super smart. Cool. Okay, so there's a theater and there's a show at 2 o'clock.
We're not gonna do that.
I don't think that's something for us, but I guess for the families here. I have to say this entrance to the park was very, very special and I loved it. And we walk under a roller coaster right when we come in. Fantastic. I think we should start with this and make an on-ride. Yes, we have to do that. Now, so this roller coaster is homemade. They built it themselves. It opened in 1930. Listen to that. Again, this is built in-house. Rodelbahn. Yeah, okay, we'll look later. Photobox Rodelbahn, yes. Okay, anyways, this is homemade and it opened in 1930. So yeah, this is going to be fun. This is going to be very interesting. It has quite the break in the end, we saw. Here we go, first drop.
Oh, I don't dare.
Oh my god, this is going to be rough, I think.
Hold on.
Oh! Now this is cute. Ow! Oh hey! Hey! On the brakes! Oh hey! That was amazing. That was so much fun. A little arcade hall in there. We have some bumper cars. We have this cute little like horse riding. No, rent a donkeys. It's apparently donkeys. Amazing. Now this is a cute area they built here. That roller coaster, I have to say, that was quite fantastic. Super scenic. 1930. Wow. Love that they could still keep this running. That is amazing. Here's a flume ride. Canoe ride. No, you don't get wet though. Maybe it sinks when I sit in it. Oh, there's like, is it a tiger? No, it's a person sleeping in there. Oh, that's great. Okay, let's find some more roller coasters. That's a cute carousel, I have to say. Looks like they have, I'm not sure if they have refurbished or gotten new things. We need to look into that because some of the places look pretty nice, I have to say. Oh, we found a roller coaster down here. And over there, a rocking tug by San Perla, I guess. They have coffee over there, but they don't, that one doesn't seem to be open though. What is this? Haunted house. Sasa will do that one. Okay, we need to ride this one up there. Okay. And here comes the train through the tunnel. That's very, very cute. This is the classic FF Visa 8 coaster, but it doesn't spin. think they are very smooth. I mean, it's a simple ride, but it's great. It's a lot of fun, right?
Right, it's good. Look at that.
Whee! Okay, that was the
Safari.
no, wait, it was dinosaur or something.
Safari.
Yeah, something. Wait, no, we need to check this. Wait, no, it was Raptor Adventure because it was dinosaur thing.
Yes.
Here you have Pelles Utsiktstorn, like watchtower. This is a very cute park, I have to say. Yes, it is. I can imagine, like with smaller kids, this has to be like the dream, right?
Yeah, it's perfect. Like it's Sunday today, so like come to this park on a Sunday, just play, have fun.
Perfect.
Nice.
We are strolling to the third coaster of today. Very cute park. Selling slush in there, and they're selling some gold. Of course they sell gold, they have to do that. Oh, there we go. That's the fourth coaster. Super fun. Oh, nice. Okay, here we go. Sarah is super excited. How many of these wacky worms have we ridden now?
Oh my god.
40?
45.
I have no idea. Is it ever too? But is it ever too many? Yes, it is. This is the best part. But is it ever too many?
No.
No, it really isn't. Yeah. Hold on. Oh, det var right foto på den också. Nice. Oh, yeah. Just rode the wacky worm. Is that the name? Wacky worm? Yes. What was the name here though? Wait. Rupshemei. That's the name of it. Anyways. Oh, this cute little turtle ride looks closed. I guess. That sucks. Not that we are gonna ride it, but Sasa really wanted to.
Yes.
This is Samperla.
I just want to see if my legs fit.
Yes, all the little teacups are very cute. Look at that. The theming doesn't really fit the park, but it's cute. Really cute. But this is the reason we are walking over here.
Beautiful.
Yeah, this is beautiful. The Volkenquart, or Volkenquart maybe. Could you please let us know in the comments who built this? Who was the manufacturer of this ride? I think it's so pretty. I wonder if it's onboard sound or the sound is coming from under the ride. It would be really cool if they have speakers inside the little ships. That would be great. Just walked around here to look, and it was new for 2025. It seems pretty popular by everyone. There's also lighting in there. I am amazed by that. I mean, the lights on the outside, but lighting in there. I need to find out who made it. So now we know. I've had to look and look and look. Apparently it's the biggest investment ever for the park, and it is made by Wood Design Amusement Rides. It's a Dutch company, so it's actually locally made here. It is very pretty. I have to check out their other rides to see what they have, but that is fantastic, and it's very silent. So we're gonna do Missy 18 here at the Waarbeek. And instead of NASA, it's Vasa because it's Waarbeek. Makes a lot of sense. Anyways, this is a spinning coaster from Gossetto, and this ride is actually brand new for this year. And Missy 18, the name is because the owner, it's like a ode to the owner that took over the park in 2018. So that's what it means. That is gonna be fun. Here we go, Missy 18. And I got the spinny. This one spins the most. That's why I got it from Sarah. Let's see what happens. No way. It really does spin. I don't think I have any brakes. No! Why did I get the spinny one? Huh? I am so dizzy. I'm dizzy. Ah! No way. Okay, stop now. Oh, I am so dizzy. So that was Mishi or Missy 18.
Missy.
Doesn't matter. Not my favorite coaster.
No.
The Wacky Worm is super nice. The SPF Visa ride is super nice. It's quite old, but it's super. It's a smooth, great, like kiddie ride.
Yeah.
But my by far the favorite ride of this park in looks is of course the new one for 2025. The Crack.
Yeah.
What was the name? Anyways, of course their coaster, the in-house built coaster from 1930s. That is not only charming, it is fun, it is special in so many ways.
Really fun.
I think that is awesome. Please do not take that away.
No.
Ever. Keep it for as long as you can. If you want.
People will come here to just ride that one.
Definitely.
Because it's so special.
Definitely. We're gonna need to have a look at it because it's just right here. It looks like old train tracks, which they built a roller coaster of. I think it's just amazing. We'll see if we can catch up. Here's an old car. They were only running one car. That could be for safety reasons, or they just find it's way easier to do one. I have no idea, but that's what they did. Maybe we can catch it when it comes here. I can hear it. Look. I think it's so great. Let's catch it one more time. It goes down the drop. What is really cool here is that you see the track in the middle, that's where the running wheels are, but the red pieces on the side, that's actually for the upstops and the side wheels. So that is, it's a brilliant design. Love it. We had so much fun in this little park. It took us like an hour maybe to do the 4 coasters and look around in the park. But still, when you're here with kids, you're gonna be here for quite some time. You're gonna have a great day because there are plenty of rides for kids here. Super pretty. You can see that they're putting in a lot of love. They're doing theming, they're doing things. Things are happening in this park. Super fun. One last view, look at that. Smart guys, they're sitting out there drinking beer. One last view of the Waarbeek. So this is basically like the I would say the newer part of the rides are here, I guess. Amazing, super nice. It feels like they're going to do something with this beach here, but we'll see in the future. We're outside again of the Waarbeek. I think that was so cute.
It was very nice.
The hospitality in this park is great. The staff is nice. The rides are, I think, like iconic. With the old coaster from 1930s. That is freaking brilliant. I love that. You need to come here just to ride that one because the feeling of that is indescribable. And when you hear it coming running, it's also like you really know now it's coming.
But little lift hill. It was
oh, it's so cute. Fantastic. And then what was the name of that one? The very nice ride, that flat ride that opened in 2025. That is so pretty. Super nice job of that. Of what was it called? Wood design amusement rides. Fantastic. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah.
And
help us on our way to 4,000 followers.
Yes.
So don't forget to subscribe because that's very much help us.
Yes, and give a thumbs up to the video. Bye, guys.
Bye.